Okay, part 2 of 2 or 3 or more. We need to shell this out. Then we need to add this bottom section, shell it out after filleting the corners here, add these little pegs here so it fits into the vehicle. So I'm going to hold shift and middle mouse, I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to hit the shell button, which sometimes acts up like I just did, so I had to start over, and I said some certain words that I won't repeat here. Click on the bottom. This is supposed to be 0.07 according to our drawings. So that's what that looks like. Now I want to draw that part that sticks out. I could do it in 2 extrusions, both starting from this plane, go up into it, and then down. But I'm going to do it in 1 because that's better. So I'm going to use a plane, offset from this plane. It says it's 0.67 down. I'm going to draw my sketch down here. I'm going to orient it just like it is in my drawings, which I have it right now. And I'm going to use the same numbers that they use, so I don't have to do any math. So I'm going to draw a rectangle. I'm going to try to avoid any ant trails, any clicking on anything. I'm going to draw a rectangle like this. And I'm going to start dimensioning it. This from the front is 2.22. This to the front of the windshield is... Wait, this is the back of the windshield. That's the front of the windshield. 0.68. This to here, this is all datum dimensioned. The bottom and right. 0.29. And then this side, hopefully making it halfway, even though going only to the hundredths on their drawings doesn't help. 2.26. Looks pretty good. Now theoretically I can fillet these in 3D instead of right now, but you could do it these 0.15 radii on these corners right now. But I'm going to do it 3D because that's usually easier to change. So I'm going to hit, first of all, I'll come over here to my work plane and say, I can click on it as well, and say visibility off. I'm going to hit extrude, change the direction, and then I'm going to use this button right here, to next. It'll find something. When it runs into something, it'll stop. Now we've got to make sure that we fillet these before we shell it, or we'll just shell right through our fillet, or the fillets will cut right into the shell. So I'm going to select these 4 corners. Mine's already set at 0.15 because I did this before. Okay, now I can shell it. Hopefully. 0.05. And there we have that. So the only thing left to do, 0.05 was got from this drawing right here. The only thing left to do is to do these little pegs here. And I will do that in another video.